Today we have these Husky Ratchet tie downs, the 4-pack. This came loose during shipping, so it wasn't packed in very correctly. I bought this from the Home Depot. These are 1,000 pound working load per strap. I wanted to compare it to the $10 ones from the Harbor Freight. I really didn't like these too much. I had problems with one of them. So I had problems with one of these. One of them would detach all the time. I don't know why. So the mechanism does feel pretty cheap. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Now that's loose. Let's show you how beefy this one is. These are $20 from the Home Depot, the Husky ones. So the $10 from the Harbor Freight and the $20 from the Home Depot. You can notice the difference right away. Those are 500 pound working load. These are 1,000 pound working load. And the mechanism here feels a lot better than the other one. Should come with the carrying bag, I believe. Let's go ahead and open it up. And yes, it does have a little carrying bag right here. The bag is nice. Let's go ahead and put all of them in the bag. To remove this little thing. Might need a Phillips screwdriver maybe. See if we have anything here in the back, which I don't think so. No. Let's go ahead and open this up. Remove all these. It's open. Go. They got all released. Let's go ahead and put them in the bag. Let's open one up. not tying it to anything, but it does feel really nice. Probably a little bit too much for the truck. So I'm gonna use these and I'll keep you guys updated and see how they work out. I'm gonna go ahead and release it. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. That was easy.